Alaikum, you are most welcome at Advanced English Therapy YouTube channel or page. So, are you interested to learn spoken English? So, if you are interested, so you can learn spoken English from me or YouTube channel or Facebook page because there are some techniques of learning spoken English, but there are a lot of students or people they have no idea how to speak in English very well. But when I learn my spoken English, so I just learn slowly and day by day with me and mirror. There was no relative, no friend, so that I can practice in English with him or her or them. But I learned spoken English with my own try, and I hope that if I say something about spoken English, so if you pay attention to my spoken English speaking, so I hope you can easily learn spoken English, inshallah. Just first of all, I think that you must follow vocabulary so that you can memorize very easily. And I think you just memorize 10 words maximum in a day, not a lot. So then you must practice, you must make sentence with grammar rules, and then you must practice with your relative or cousin or friends, the men who are seriously expert in English subject. And I hope that if you follow some guidelines what I say right now, so you can easily learn spoken English, inshallah.